Snaps.
Yeah. Yeah, I got like 4 bags of snaps.
Nice. Holy, what's really going on? You sort nuts and bolts, Doodle?
Yeah.
You love that kind.
That.
So many assortments of different things. Taking them from one sorted area and putting them in another.
Terrible.
Yeah. Love that kind. Oh no, what's this? I bought it. Oh, that's gonna reek. On the cigarettes.
Oh yeah. Back on the cigarettes.
Oh, I did it again. We need to move those brake rotors. Holy those are in my way a little bit. Looks like, oh, just getting some lights wired up. Finally got the blinkers and everything working, but now some of the top marker lights are working, not working, on, off. It's just not fiddle farting around, so I'll put new ones on there and it'll be awesome.
All kinds of different things.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a snowblower friggin'. Oh yeah, see, it's a Comfy snowblower key, bud.
Keep that.
Highly sought after. Hey, put that on your keychain. Happy? Do you know where those good pliers ended up, buddy? Yeah, remember the ones?
Down here.
You found them?
On the battery.
Oh.
Good spot.
Yeah, that's where they go for sure. You know what I mean? That's how you tell. How are the chicken steps?
Chicken stuff.
Didn't you have chicken snaps last night?
Oh, chicken wings?
Yeah.
No, chicken quesadilla.
No.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. I hate it when they herk in them, you know what I mean? When you get the herk quesadilla.
See, they're all Indian, so I don't know what Indian herb tastes like.
Oh. Yeah, it's probably not good.
Probably a lot of curry, actually.
Right?
I'm sure I'd be able to taste the curry.
Yeah. Just like a curry herk.
All the ones that are left there mixed.
Mixed?
Yeah, those ones that are left there is in the middle. And again,
I don't want to fuck up the order.
Next pair of bench, we do that.
Want me to do that? Power cable there.
That's the one you needed.
That is one of the ones I need, but I don't need it anymore.
What happened?
Gillen.
Oh, that's a piece of a race car. That's like a body of a race car,
No.
right? So that would have been like where the wheel well or whatever. So it's just
Yeah.
like cut out of the side. You know, they just cut them up. I got like more pieces over here. See, this one's like a piece of a, you know, that's like just a hunk of of that car, and this is a hunk of that car, right? There's more hunks of cars. It's my custom rig, bud.
What, the Grumman?
Yeah. Yeah, but that's
Yeah, I'm not going to just bring it
it
back.
hasn't,
Where's the batteries?
right. It's been 10 years since I've seen this part of the bench.
What, the back?
Yeah, the top of it, basically. I've always been able to see like this part here, and maybe this
You know
part.
this was yellow?
No, that's neat. Oh, it's a drive shaft.
Yeah, it's a drive shaft, but like for what?
Oh, truck. Probably Chevy
Just
truck.
yours.
No, just cut it off and then thought, oh, that'd be a good pencil holder. You know? Do you know that?
Oh yeah. Oh. Actually, that's a good place. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right-handed. So all those are working now. They weren't before.
Still got 2 orange ones up there though. Or am I not supposed to say that?
Yeah, and only one back here is working. Oh, these 2 are working, but all those ones aren't. Too muchy!
I need a battery.
A battery?
You old battery. Every 2 months. Got battery. 2 months. Got battery.
2 month garbagey. Holy f, there's batteries right here, bud. 200. 200 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a change. New one in the.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's what the one.
One of these?
I don't know another one. I 2 months got battery. 2 months got battery. Girlfriend, another one good. That one? Which one, Charlie?
Which one you want?
Oh.
That one, Nuda, 2022, new. One year, new. What do you mean, no? Yes.
2 months got battery. 2 months
60 bucks. Oh, I don't give two.
got battery. Here.
Go to Canadian Tire, buddy.
How much money?
60 bucks.
Huh?
60.
No.
Okay, go to Canadian Tire.
I owe 120. Owe 120.
Oh, changing no good.
Yeah, owe one for you.
Yeah, batteries aren't worth
就
nothing.
是 you here. He another one 背的，就是背的 another one
This one, Nuda, 60.
16. Canadian time 19. New one.
Okay, go get a new one.
Yeah.
Here, you drive to Canadian Tire too. Oh my goodness gracious. So's that.
Change. How much?
Oh, batteries aren't worth nothing, scrap.
Yeah, change.
No,
I owe one
scraps.
for you.
Oh, is this one yours?
Ah, maybe.
I owe one for you. No change.
Old one not worth nothing. Old one garbagey.
就是 you here 的 you 打不上 for me 的。he.
Old one and 50 bucks.
2 months.
50 buck plus old one.
Power no come.
Well, you can't just leave it hooked up all for 2 months and not charge it, and then it gets dicked and expect it to work.
Wait, 40.
No, 50 plus old one.
40.
50.
No, 40.
No. 50.
Yeah, 1-0.
Look at 2022.
No, you. I don't know. You here. He. I.
Yeah, I know you don't know. That's why I'm telling you.
4 more. 2 months. 3 months. Good one. He for me. Good one. Big one. 4 months. Oh my God. Oh, no comment. Power.
Oh my
charging, no
God.
comment.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
For you. Oh. Kind.
Holy shit. Stuck. Oh yeah, that one's my good one, big time.
$40 okay?
No, 50. I need money. Money.
40 money, I okay. I for you.
No.
How
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. It was 60, and then you talked me down to 50.
40 cash.
No. No.
No, we see.
No. 50.
5-0.
50 I support. I support. I support. Okay. I
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
50.
5.
Good Lord.
Too much.
Right? Too much, too much, too much, too much, too good. Right? What happened in your life to make you just demand shit from people? Right? The triads just go around marching around, just taking people's shit, and too much he thinks he can. Oh, the spot for f***ing, oh, anchor bolts now. Check this out. Eh? Oh, buddy, don't breathe for a second. Oh, shit. That's just fucking foul. Oh, he did so good. Yeah, I was trying to blame him, but one felon wanted to take the blame.
Oh,
What kind of? Let's see your pruno. Let's see what pruno you're on.
Pruno?
Yeah, your pruno, not your penis. Your pruno, buddy. Your pruno. Your drink. What are you drinking?
Oh, that's
Drinking straight pruno, or is it jankum?
there it is.
What do you got? Holy fuck no! Oh shit! Oh, no wonder you're just dackered. You're drinking the Irish pruno, bud.
Straight ahead.
Hey,
I don't around when it
right?
comes to anything.
Good lord! Did you drink? Oh shit! See what happens? Staggering around with your boots undone.
Yeah.
Just about killed you. Holy! You just get it all up you right now. Rippity?
That and it's gotta be the best of it all.
It's gonna be the good Irish pruno.
Damn straight. Oh, you can't have whiskey before it's just. Oh, more than like 200 fucking over already.
The way tonight. Pull your pants down. Show me your bum.
You got the best of the fucking stickiest of the ickiest.
Stickiest to the ickiest.
As far as I'm,
Muckiest to the suckiest.
I get fucking stoned.
Oh, that's what happened.
Like I've
It wasn't the
never,
pruno, it was the cigarette.
as soon as I had the cigarette,
Yeah.
it's exactly
Ready
what
for
I wanted.
bed.